Hello, Class 2H. So this is the A sound written with an A split digraph E. Don't forget you need your lined paper ready with the numbers 1 to 8 written down the left-hand side. Remember, you can pause or rewind at any point if you need more time or to hear a word again. Okay, number 1, face, face. Number 2, snake, snake. Number 3, plate, plate. Number 4, game, game. Number 5, cake, cake. Number 6, shapes, shapes. Number 7, whale, whale. And number 8, flame, flame. And I have 2 sentences for you today. Which kind of sentences are they? Which kind of punctuation do they require? You'll need to listen carefully. Has any child seen the snake climb up the door? Has any child seen the snake climb up the door? And your second sentence is, did any of the shapes look good on the cake? Did any of the shapes look good on the cake?